Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete the classes on Remind School Communication app. Now, if you want to delete the classes on Remind School Communication app, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, to delete the classes on Remind School Communication app, you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first basic step will be to download the Remind app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you need to simply open the Remind app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you need to log into your account by clicking on the option of login. Now from here, you need to go on your class list. So here you'll see the option of file, people, settings, and all of it. Now click on the option of 3 straight lines, and here you'll see the option of classes joined, and you'll see the number of list of the class which you have joined. So you need to click on the option of edit, which is next to the class joined, and after clicking on the option of organize classes or the class joined, you'll see the red minus like icon which is next to the class name. So you need to click on the option of that, and here you'll see the option of leave, and a pop-up will appear saying leave this class, no longer receive message from the key club. So click on the option of leave, and by doing all of it, so you'll be able to simply leave the Remind School classes or delete the Remind School classes on your device. So that's it. That's how you can delete the classes on Remind School Communication app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.